guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today, you'll taste different chocolates from different brands. We have different chocolates from other countries, and we have chocolates that are originated here in Japan. We actually have 33 chocolates right now.
Yeah, I think I can do it. So let's start.
Yeah.
We have 33 kinds of chocolate. So I think this is the last one. Mentos chocolate. So maybe mangingilo na talaga ako. I'm gonna start for, I think you know this one. This is Ferrero.
Ferrero.
From Italy, I think.
Yeah, Italy.
No, this is my first time.
That was...
So this is Damak.
yeah, that was originated from Turkey.
Yeah, this is from Turkey. And 55% cacao.
Ooh.
This is Cadbury from Ireland. So this is one of my favorite choco. So and the next,
Max Crunch. I think that's in Malaysia. Yep, you can taste that.
yeah.
Kaya ba?
Parang napipil ko yung gums ko. Maghihiwalay.
Time?
This from Hawaii Hoss. Chocolate cover by dry roasted macadamia nuts. Okay. So the next one is the Tor. So this is Toblerone.
That's the 8
from
chocolate. Switzerland.
Switzerland. So this is one of my favorite. So I remember the last time was Nanay Lina give me this one. My best friend mother. Yeah, eating chocolate for anti-stress, craving some foods, my kids.
Okay, change question.